Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Monday 21 of February. And if you guys are not into the Discord, you guys join me into the Discord, right? So this is where I actually post some quick updates over there as well through the text. Now here we are, and right now VECHAIN, guys, I told you it's looking to go to this price level, which is going to be the 0.04364 in the previous videos as well. And right now you're kind of like losing the 0.786 out there in this reversal wave. So if you start to actually go down here, I'm going to tell you this one very quickly, and this is where you're going to find one support right there. You start to lose this support, back tested, and then boom, you're looking actually to go to the 33, simple put. So we had two fake outs with the trend line, and this is actually really bad, of course, when it comes to trade any coin right there. And this was like you've had fake outs previously. You had a fake out here, you went down. You had a fake out there, you went down there, and you had a little bit of a fake out there, then you went down. And here you had the biggest fake out, guys, and then you went down and another fake out, and boom, now you're right back into the triangle. Now you could have known all of this based on how Bitcoin looks. Okay, so if you're trading VECHAIN, and I always have posted Bitcoin updates on the channel, so when you're watching that, when you're watching the VECHAIN update, it's really important to actually keep an eye on Bitcoin as well, because you cannot trade any altcoin or most of the altcoins without knowing what Bitcoin's next move is going to be. You can be as bullish as you want to be, but then again, when it comes down to Bitcoin, everything just goes down really badly, right? So the technical target of 0.043 is actually still there, but what I want to do is, I took this technical target from there to there and dropped it based on how this log scale is looking like. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn off the log scale, and you're going to have a very different kind of a result. I want to show you that one right now. So you take the top to the bottom right there, and this is where you're actually breaking out, and with the log scale turned off, you're actually looking to go down to the 39. Do you understand that? I mean, if you come down here, look at the top, bottom, and that's where your log is actually lying, and that takes you nearly this 1.272 price target right there, which is going to be the 36, and potentially that's where you're going to find some level of support, right? And if you turn on the log scale, then it's a very different story. It's a different story. Now, which one to follow, the log scale or without the log scale? Now I'm going to tell you that it's actually important to follow the turning off the log scale, because according to what I just know is that when you are in a small time frame like the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, or let's say the daily time frame, then turning off the log scale is going to be a little bit helpful. Okay, and if you're into the monthly time frames, like you want to see Bitcoin for the past 9 years, that's where the log scale is actually important, because it filters out a lot of noises. So if you're actually basing these things based on the 1-hourly and the 4-hour time frame, the technical targets are way more observant, and that they are more reliable with the log scale turned off. So one price target I told you was 0.04387, but unfortunately this is the low that has to be taken out, and based off without arithmetic. This is known as arithmetic when you turn off the natural logarithmic scale. There's no exponential anymore, it's just arithmetic calculations, and you are looking to actually go down to the ground to that particular level, at least at the 39. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually bring this down a little bit right there to this price level. So be careful, guys, that's the 39, and potentially on the Fib retracement you have the 0.03693 as well, and then the 33 is at the 1.414, and that's where you might be looking to actually go. And that's it for today's VECHAIN update. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.